Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the machine and getting safe. First, verify the exact SSD form factor, M, 2 versus 2. 5 in SATA so you have the right replacement. Once done, backup or clone your drive and make a bootable recovery USB. This protects your system state. Next, power down fully, unplug chargers, and remove any external battery if possible. Finally, ground yourself with an anti-static strap or touch a metal surface. Make sure screws and a small tray are ready before you open the chassis. Now you'll remove the existing drive step by step. Once the access panel is off, keep screws organized by size because reassembly matters. Locate the SSD M. 2 sticks out at a slight angle whereas a 2. 5 in sits in a caddy or bay. Unscrew the standoff holding an M. 2, then lift it out gently for a 2. 5 in drive, unplug the connector and slide the drive from the bay. Make sure connectors and flex cables are not forced. Take a photo if you need orientation reference. You'll finish by installing and verifying the new SSD. Seat in M. 2 at about a 30-degree angle and press down to screw into the standoff. For a 2. 5 in, slide it into the bay and reconnect the SATA/power connector. Reinstall the access panel and battery, then boot into BIOS or UEFI to confirm the drive is recognized. If the drive does not appear, shut down, reset connections, double-check compatibility and BIOS updates, or try a different slot. That troubleshooting step often resolves detection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.